Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, we're going to be repairing a shed door. As you can see, the latch has broke on this shed door. See? Completely broke. There is 4 doors, as you can see, 2 locks, 2 hinges on that side, 2 hinges right there, 2 hinges there. But this hinge has broke, and what we're going to do is do an effective repair. So, we got your drill gun here, and we got a Torx bit, the old famous Torx bit here. Got your little tree down there. So we're going to have to take off the old right here. As you can see, this is where it broke right there. And then we got to take off that screw and that screw and that screw. And we're going to have to put a new hinge on there. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's do it. Alright, so right there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We're gonna get right in there. We're gonna get right in there. Boom, just like so. Oh, the bit's too big. We're gonna have to get a smaller bit. So she said.